Good morning all of you. In this video we will learn about ascending and descending orders in mathematics. This is used in arranging the numbers in ascending and descending orders. See here there is one aeroplane. In which direction it is going on? It is going in upward direction. This is called ascending. See here there is one man. He is climbing the mountain. In which direction he is going? He is also going in the upward direction. He is going from bottom to top. Here also one man is going on steps in the forward direction, from bottom to up in the upward direction. This is ascending. Here there are some numbers. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are in ascending order from least number to highest number. This is called ascending order. Here there is another aeroplane. In which direction it is going on? It is going in downward direction. This is called descending. See here one man is going from top to bottom in the downward direction. This is called as descending. Here there are some people are coming from top of the mountain to the bottom. They are walking one by one from top to the bottom. This is called as descending. Yes, correct. This is descending. Now we will see how these ascending and descending orders are used in numbers in our mathematics. See here there are 1 to 5 numbers arranged in step by step. See here which is the lowest number here. 1 is the lowest number. After that 2. Next 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers are arranged in lower number to higher number. This is called ascending order. Now we will see descending order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These are arranged in descending order. See here we take some numbers and we will arrange them in ascending order and descending order. First in ascending order, like this, least number to highest number. This is called ascending order. See here some numbers are given here, which is the least number 2. After that 3. Next 4. Next 7. What is the next number? 9. These are in ascending order from least number to highest number. So we arrange these numbers in ascending orders like this. Now we will see descending order. Descending means top to bottom. Here there are also given some numbers to us to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means top to bottom. Like that we arrange these numbers in higher number to least number. Which is the first number? Which is the highest number? 9. After that 8. After that 6. Next 2. 9, 8, 6, 2. These are in descending order. Like this we arrange the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. మీకు ఒక కొండ గుర్తు చెప్తాను చూడండి. అసెండింగ్ అంటే ఎక్కడం చిన్న అంకె నుంచి పెద్ద అంకె వరకు. డిసెండింగ్ అంటే దిగడం పెద్ద అంకె నుంచి చిన్న అంకె వరకు. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.